Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my channel today. My name is Grace, I'm also known as Littlemama, and I'm from the blog workanywherenow.com. And in this video today, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $20,000 from Microsoft for playing Xbox and using their Xbox Live network and finding bugs, guys. You could hack that machine and see if you could find some bugs and earn. I'm going to show you everything, okay? Let's get started right now. So just last month, Microsoft has announced that they are putting together an Xbox bug bounty program, which means that if you could find any security bugs in the Xbox Live network, then you could earn from $500 to all the way up to $20,000, okay? So I'm just going to show you a few things and how you can find more details about this. Look, I'm not going to pretend I'm a gamer. I'm not a gamer. So I just want to deliver this information to all the video gamers out there because I know my channel has a lot of subscribers that may be playing Xbox Live. So I want this news to be known to my followers, okay? So in this Frostbite article that I was looking at, it was talking about the Xbox Bug Bounty Program, and actually they are saying they're paying rewards from 1,000 to 20,000, which is not right. So what happens is I had to click this announcement here, and I found this. This is the Microsoft Security Response Center, okay? And so this is their official announcement of the Xbox Bounty Program. And then when I clicked on this thing, this came to the official bounty program here, the Xbox Bounty Program. And right here it's saying, see, Xbox Bounty Program invites gamers, security researchers, and others around the world, so this is available worldwide, to help identify security vulnerabilities in the Xbox Live network and services and share them with the Xbox team. Qualified submissions are eligible for bounty rewards of $500 to $20,000. What constitutes an eligible submission? The goal of the bug bounty program is to uncover significant vulnerabilities that have a direct and demonstrable impact on the security of Microsoft's customers. Vulnerability submissions must meet the following criteria to be eligible for a bounty award. So you got to identify a previously unreported vulnerability reproduces in our latest fully patched version of Xbox Live network and services at the time of submission. Include clear, concise, and reproducible steps, either in writing or in a video format. This allows submissions to be reviewed as quickly as possible and supports the highest bounty awards. Getting started. Sign up for an Xbox Network account. We recommend creating one or more test accounts to conduct your research with, basically. And they're saying that you don't even need access to any of their Xbox consoles, but having one will be useful. Please note, consoles will not be provided for testing purposes. Access to all these other Xbox, different programs that they have is also not required for testing, but may be useful. I don't know how you will be able to actually look for bugs if you don't have any of this stuff. So it says it's not required, but I mean, how else are you gonna find bugs in the game if you don't have access? If you don't have access to it? Maybe there's other hackers. I guess okay, I'm not a hacker, obviously. So I hope there are ethical hackers that can do this for them, I guess. So how are award amounts set? So see, they have a big schedule here, okay? So if you just search basically Microsoft.com bounty Xbox or Xbox bounty program, you can find this chart and kind of study what you need to find. But basically, in order for you to find the $20,000 bug, you need it to have a critical and high quality, like the report needs to be high quality, severity needs to be critical, and it needs to be remote code execution. So I don't know what all this means, but this is how you get the $20,000, okay? And then there's other things that you can look for. So if you're an expert in looking at this stuff, this is definitely for you. And it also doesn't say any age requirement to submit a report. So I don't know if there is really an actual age limit, but you can always email them at secure@microsoft.com to find out more information. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know that this is out there and it's possible to earn all this money here. Oh, this chart doesn't have $500, so maybe that's why that the first article I was showing you said 1,000 to 20,000. So maybe they are correct in that sense, but I don't know why they're saying 500 here. There's nothing that says 500. So you could earn 1,000 to 20,000 finding these bugs for in the Xbox Live network. Okay, and so this is a real. So if you're already playing the game and you find bugs, you know, check it out and see if you can get any information for them. But make sure that bug that you find, make sure somebody else can find it too, because you want to be able to have them reproduce that bug. So if when you submit the report, they also need to be able to find the bug themselves. So you need to be able to give them the certain steps. That's what they say. It needs to be reproducible so that they can also see the steps. And so you better be clear in your submission, all the details that it took for you to find that bug. All right, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up underneath this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel if you want more videos like this or more ways to make money online. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can see when my next video comes out. I can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye.